Welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore wonderful moments recorded by camera. Welcome to ETC Incredible Moments. Beautiful mammatus clouds over Argentina.
My God.
Two lucky people in Brazil made it in time. Lightning struck Hanoi and surrounding areas. Lightning struck the city and the streets. Oh! A ruptured undersea gas pipeline caused a fire in the Gulf of Mexico. The car lost control and crashed into the barrier. Fireworks blew up the car.
Oh, it's gonna be right there. You cannot stick it in the ground. It's not gonna work.
Things suddenly turned bad.
Put it in the shoe.
Mysterious accident on Highway 79. A car caught fire during a race in the Al Kharayib area.
بمنطقة الخرايب على استراد الخرايب منطقة الواسطة.
Fire at Moon Palace Punta Cana. Traffic accidents.
Вот он, точно на.
The tornado occurred on the highway. The river flood flowed rapidly down below. Power lines are downed by electric arc.
There's a bunch of power lines, not just, I thought there was. Oh!
Yes! You got it!
The herd of buffaloes ran amok on the road. Luckily, he was safe.
Ой, блядь. Ой. Что такое?
A car crashed into an electric pole and fell onto the highway. His car was hit by a balloon again. Container truck overturned on slippery highway due to rain. Oh. Worm rings black-winged, fungus fly larva rings.
It's
Beautiful, but
ugly. Yeah.
at
Disgusting. It looks beautiful, yeah, but ugly.
Houses near rivers and mountains during the rainy season. A car-laden truck fell and nearly crushed a minibus. Looks like someone is cooking something delicious.
Что это, в планету идет куда-то? Ёбана рот. А, його.
Luckily, the dog was able to dodge.
За кастрюли мамины гремят. Ой, смотри. Бля.
козел, ты посмотри, что
И как это он мимо меня проехал.
Боже мой, какой...
If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. Sinister hole swallows car in South Korea. Wow. An accident on the highway. Oh my God. The shocking moment was caught on camera. A ship crashed into a sailboat moored by the lake. Mechanical failure of a speeding boat on the river. Landslide falls from Mansa Devi Hill onto railway tracks near Kali Bimgoda Temple Haridwar. This is why many people leaning one way will happen. The man managed to escape before the battery exploded. The moment the Alebe ferry sank, do not go through the landslide is still happening. Road closed due to landslide near Shaldhar in Lagadi. The landslide swept down the highway, blocking the way. It snowed terribly in Austria. The steam train pushed at full power up the hill, creating a rain of fire and ash. Wow. What is going on? Do you know what this is? Leave a comment. A severe weather event brought huge waves to the northern coast of Peru. Hundreds of sea turtles began nesting en masse on the beach. Goldstream's Green River. Strange clouds are floating in the sky. In hot summer weather, floor tiles will pop out. The man caught an eel. The iceberg is turning over. Thank you for watching strange things happening around the world. If you enjoy these mysteries, please like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel to receive more unbelievable discoveries from all over the planet.